The 25 kVA industrial pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. The transformer comes with high elbow surge arresters on the primary side. Designed for overvoltage and transient voltage protection, the components prevent damage caused by lightning, internal switching, or voltage surges. This transformer features mineral oil insulation fluid. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.